Hello everyone, welcome to Guidely. This is Aditya. IDBI executive for sales and operation interviews are scheduled very soon. From I think 3rd or 4th of January onwards, interviews are scheduled. Point number one, I have got lots of messages yesterday regarding this video कि एक strategy video बना दीजिए सारे important topics के साथ जो हमको cover करने चाहिए for this particular interview. So here's the video. Watch till end. I am going to cover every important question and important topic which you need to prepare for this particular position and for this particular interview. For your more convenience, I have also listed the interview batch on the Guidely platform for IDBI executive. In this, I am going to cover 5 plus live classes completely targeting to this particular interview, including the roles and responsibility, why IDBI, why private bank, such type of difficult answers, how to frame in a best possible way that I am going to guide you within the batch. Along with one mock interview will be available in the batch that you can attend with one of the ex-panel member who have already taken the interviews of IDBI along with the IBPS interviews. तो ये बैच की डिटेल्स आप लोग चेक कर लेना. टोटल वैकेंसीज है आपकी 1000, अप्रोक्सीमेटली 3 to 4000 कैंडिडेट्स आर गोइंग टू अटेंड द इंटरव्यू. ऑल्दो इसमें काफी लोग एब्सेंट रहते हैं जिन लोगों ने आरआरबी का इंटरव्यू दे रखा है, मे बी नॉट दे विल अटेंड दिस पर्टिकुलर इंटरव्यू. तो फिर भी अपॉर्चुनिटी ठीक है. If you are actually looking for the job urgently, then you should focus on this particular interview properly. If you are in a need of urgent job, then you need to focus on this interview. Otherwise, continue for your preparation for your SBA clerk and SBA PO examination. That is what my personal suggestion to all of you. Important questions आपके पास क्या बनेंगे यहाँ से, उनके बारे में बात कर लेते हैं. पहला होगा, बिकॉज IDBI is a private bank. Previously it was a public sector bank, but now we know that it is a private bank. So they will ask you about the journey of IDBI. IDBI started as a industrial bank in the year 1964. Till 1976 IDBI was owned by government. Till 1976 IDBI was owned by RBI. 1976 ownership was transferred by the RBI to Government of India. Till 2004 IDBI was a industrial bank. In 2004 IDBI started commercial banking as well. We call it universal banking. So all these big transitions which came in the life journey of IDBI that you need to know. Second thing, why you want to join a private bank? Why not public sector bank? Why private bank? You cannot say that, sir, I am not preparing for public sector bank, I only want to join private. You can't say that. They know the reality. So you need to frame the answer in a balanced way like this, sir. Although I am writing the examination of public sector bank also, I have written the examination for IBPS as well this year. Even the form of SBI also I am going to fill. But sir, I always want to become the banker and IDBI is giving a good opportunity. Although sir, we also know that directly, indirectly, the shareholding of Government of India in the IDBI is more than 90% at present also. अभी भी IDBI में गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया का डायरेक्ट और इनडायरेक्ट शेयर होल्डिंग अगर आप मिला दें तो 90% क्रॉस कर जाता है. LIC ओन्ड बाय गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया. LIC इज होल्डिंग मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द शेयर्स इन द IDBI. तो आप इस पॉइंट को भी यूज कर सकते हैं वहां पर कि I don't have obsession only for the public sector bank. I can work with the private bank also because the growth opportunities are available in the private sector bank as well. ये सब इंटरव्यू में बोलना है. रियलिटी थोड़ी अलग होती है बट इंटरव्यू में ये बोलना है इफ यू एक्चुअली वांट टू गेट द जॉब इन दिस पर्टिकुलर बैंक. दूसरा, शेयर होल्डिंग पैटर्न पूछते हैं. व्हाट इज द करंट शेयर होल्डिंग पैटर्न ऑफ IDBI? व्हाट आर द प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी ऑफ IDBI? सो यू नीड टू कवर लास्ट फाइनेंशियल ईयर रिपोर्ट and quarter 2 report of the year 2024-25. तो 24-25 का quarter 2 report आपको पढ़ लेना है और लास्ट फाइनेंशियल का पूरा रिपोर्ट आपको कवर करना है. 2 reports you need to cover for the profitability purpose. Recent update regarding IDBI. So whatever the collaborations IDBI have done recently with some other company for the co-lending purpose, bank assurance purpose, recent product IDBI have launched. So all the important recent product like Utsav FD. So such type of things you should be aware about. ठीक है, इनके बारे में आपको जानकारी होनी चाहिए. एक क्वेश्चन काफी परेशान करता है स्टूडेंट्स को ड्यूरिंग द इंटरव्यू इफ दे आर गोइंग फॉर एनी प्राइवेट बैंक इंटरव्यू. ध्यान से सुनिएगा. क्वेश्चन है, what will you do if you will get the chance from any PSB after joining this bank? If you will join IDBI and after that you get the opportunity from SBI or you get the opportunity from IBPS, any public sector bank, what you are going to do? They know the reality, but on that day you need to convince them that, sir, I know that IDBI is one of the growing bank. Recently, bank have generated good profit also. So once I'll join the IDBI, I'll think around the internal growth in the IDBI, that how I'm going to get the growth within the organization. I've seen that lots of the officers or the directors of IDBI, those who are currently working, they joined on the position of PO in the IDBI, and currently they are working on the very higher position. It means bank is also offering very higher growth chances within the organization. So you need to convince them in such a way. ये याद रखना, उनको पता है कि आप छोड़ोगे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन आप छोड़ोगे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जिस दिन आपका SBI में हो जाएगा, IBPS में हो जाएगा, वो जानते हैं. बट दे वांट, इवन दे वांट पीपल who are actually in the urgent need of job. So if you are in urgent need of job, I am repeating again, then only you should focus properly on this interview preparation. तभी आप focus करो, otherwise continue with your preparation only. Okay, what are the roles and responsibilities of IDBI executive, sales and operation, because it is going to be different from PO roles and responsibilities. So don't copy and paste the roles and responsibility of PO. It will be aligned with the clerk position, mainly the clerk which are working more on the sales part. So cross selling and all is going to be the important aspect. So major co-branded offers available on IDBI Bank. Bank assurance pact done by IDBI Bank. Is it worth joining IDBI? अगर आपके दिमाग में क्वेश्चन आता है and you are in need of job, that is it worth joining IDBI? So currently the shareholding of LIC is around 49%, and remaining majority of the shares holded by Government of India also. So if you will observe, LIC plus Government of India, they have shareholding of 90% plus in IDBI. तो अभी भी जो गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया है और IDBI, इन दोनों को मिला दोगे आप तो 90% प्लस शेयर होल्डिंग जो है इन्हीं के पास है. सेंटर एंड LIC टुगेदर इज होल्डिंग अराउंड 95% shareholding, Government of India 45%, LIC 49%, LIC owned by Government of India. In LIC, shareholding of Government of India is 97.5%, right? 96.5% in LIC. So LIC is majority of the shares by Government of India only, like this. Then IDBI generated the profit of around 1,836 crore rupee in the recent quarter, in the quarter 2. So sir, we have seen that bank is generating very awesome profit. They are generating good profit, and bank have a good growth perspective also in the future. Currently, we will observe the bank management is almost similar to the public sector bank management. The reason, majority of the shares are still in the pocket of Government of India indirectly. That is why, sir, I want to join IDBI. Now, there are few very important banking topics based on the profile of sales and operations you need to cover. That is, first of all, what is the difference between bank and NBFC? What are the functions of bank? How do banks generate profit? Different type of deposits, CASA ratio, CD ratio, KYC norms, very important because you need to do re-KYC in the bank sitting on this position. In IDBI sitting on this position, you will be doing the re-KYC. Then cross-selling of the insurance and FDs. So you should be aware about the insurance product offered by IDBI, because most of the product IDBI offer, they are the product of LIC. So LIC offers LIC products, you will be able to see in the IDBI bank most of the time in the insurance sector. Then FDs, fixed deposit, recent fixed deposit. Then on the position of clerk, you are also involved in the financial inclusion. So Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, Suraksha Bima Yojana, Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, Atal Pension Yojana, all these are the important topics you need to cover. Okay? So this is the main area. I have given you clear idea. This is the main area which you need to cover. Apart from that, इसके अलावा बैच लाइव है, यू कैन चेक द डिटेल्स ऑफ बैच ऑन द प्लेटफॉर्म. ठीक है, गाइडली प्लेटफॉर्म पर जाकर डिटेल्स चेक कर लेना. इफ यू वांट टू प्रिपेयर प्रॉपरली फॉर दिस इंटरव्यू देन ओनली गो फॉर बैच. ठीक है, ज्यादा परेशान मत होना. अगर इंटरव्यू के लिए तरीके से तैयारी करना है, सोच लिया है दैट आई वांट टू ज्वाइन IDBI सर, करेंटली आई विल सी इन फ्यूचर, बट अभी तो ज्वाइन करना है, देन ओनली इन्वेस्ट योर मनी इन द बैच. दैट इज योर इन्वेस्टमेंट प्रॉपरली. ठीक है, फिर ये आपका बायोडेटा फॉर्म है, CV फॉर्म है. आई विल मेक अ सेपरेट वीडियो to let you know about this. So what I'm going to do tomorrow, when I'll take first lecture on the Guidely platform within the batch, lecture number 1 I'm going to keep free. So there I'll let you know about what to fill and what will be the importance of it. I'll tell you 90% of your interview will run around it and the questions which I just told you. तो अगर आप उसके आंसर्स अच्छे से फ्रेम कर लो, इसको तरीके से जस्टिफाई कर लो, आपका इंटरव्यू का बहुत कुछ प्रिपरेशन ऑटोमेटिकली हो जाएगा. क्लियर है मेरा पॉइंट? इसके बाद जो आपका आईडीबीआई का वेबसाइट है, दैट वेबसाइट आल्सो यू नीड टू गो थ्रू विथ द वेबसाइट प्रॉपरली. तो वेबसाइट पे जो भी आपको नए प्रोडक्ट्स मिलेंगे, अबाउट अस में जाकर देखो, इनकी जर्नी को प्रॉपरली कवर करो. सो दिस इज द एरिया फ्रॉम वेयर 80 to 90% of your interview questions will be done. Apart from that, your profile related questions will also be there. So I'll try from my side best to help you out to prepare this interview within the batch. मैं कल से classes start कर रहा हूँ from Sunday onwards because dates are very near to us for the interview. So before that, I'll complete my 4 to 5 lectures minimum I am going to do in this batch. So in that 5 lecture, I'll complete everything which is required for the interview. Very crisp, point to point, topic to topic answers I'm going to give you, that this is the question, this is what the answer is going to be, that much. And apart from that, the banking awareness videos will be available for the preparation of your banking knowledge of interview. So this is done from my side. Let me know in the comment box any other thing you want me to cover over the YouTube. Don't say complete syllabus. Any important thing which you feel that you are struggling a lot and you are not able to go for the paid class, then let me know. One topic definitely I can cover apart from the live classes over the YouTube also. Let me know about that. ठीक है? अच्छा, लास्ट ईयर का रिपोर्ट और क्वार्टर 2 रिपोर्ट ये अच्छे से कवर कर लेना if you are doing by your own also. Thank you for watching this video. Take care. जय हिंद. All the best.